Here is an example of a Laravel project that we have already installed. Now pull up your example project and open it in the editor of your choice. I'm going to switch over to the browser and use her to visit test to view my project. Then you might need to boot up a server manually, and you can do that using Artisan. In a home page, we can see a bunch of cards here, links to the documentations, Laracast, Laravel news, and the ecosystem as a whole. So the first step on our journey is going to be this route directory. Have a look at the web. One favorite thing about Laravel is that it's so clear. So even if you didn't understand what a route is, you could probably notice what's going on here. Let's have a look. Route get /. Well, that's typically the home page. When you get or visit that home page, then run this function. And looks like the function returns a view called welcome. So more specifically, we are declaring a route that listens for a GET request, and a GET request is just visiting a URL in the browser. In this case, listen for a request to the home page. If we instead were listening for a request to the about page, then I might do something like this. So in response, if the user visits that page, triggers this function, and the function will return a view called welcome. The next thought is, where is the welcome view? We'll go into the resource directory, then views, and see a file called welcome. Notice it's not welcome.php, it's welcome.blade.php. Blades is Laravel's templating engine. It's just a layer on the top of PHP that you'll find to be pretty useful. So if we have a look at this is a markup for that home page. So why do we do this? We are going to select everything within that body tag and replace it with hello world. Give it a refresh and works. Okay, now let's recap what you have learned here. You have learned that you can visit the route files, you can declare routes, and routes can return what we refer to as a view. And for now, again, keep it simple. A view is the markup in the template for what the user views, and it's little more complex than that. But at this stage of your learning, that's good enough. Let's declare a new route. This time, if the user visits /about, then what do? We have a couple of choices. We could create a brand new file called about, or you could even return a simple string about page. Okay, let's come back and give it a shot. Example.test/about, and there we go. We see about page. It works. Further, in addition to returning a string, you could return an array. But in a situation where you want to build an API of sorts, this would be one way to do it. Who is bar? And if we come back and give it a refresh, sure enough, our response was converted to JSON, which is really cool. But for now, we are not talking about APIs. Let's keep it very simple. So I'm going to return a view called about. Now let's go into a view directory and create a brand new file, but this time let's forget about Blade. We'll talk about it shortly. For now, simply call it about.php and we'll paste it in a big chunk of HTML. So I might say about page, and I can say hello from the about. Alright, let's switch back, give it a short refresh, and there we go. We have rendered our view. Now we have a brand new Laravel project where we have declared two routes. One of them loads the home page and just say hello world for now, and another one loads the about page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Laravel and web developments.